Good afternoon, students. So here I am going to discuss the INICT today. INICT, as you know, it is the examination name is in Institute of National Importance Combined Entrance Test, and this is going to be conducted on 17th of May 2025. This is a computer-based exam. This exam has got 200 questions, and each correct answer carries 1 mark, and for each wrong answer you will be deducted -1/3. Now the questions are single correct answer types and multiple correct answer types. In single correct answer type there's option A, B, C, D, so you have to select any one of them. And in multiple correct answer types the answers will be like if A, B, C are correct, if A and C are correct, if A, B, D are correct, like this. So again there you have to mark the single answer option whatever you feel is right. Now this exam is also very different in terms of that it specifically plays or gives a very importance to the first year and second year subjects. जो basic sciences हैं, anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, pathology, micro and pharma, तो इन सब्जेक्ट्स के ऊपर कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन ऑल्सो, सो इन सब्जेक्ट्स के ऊपर देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ इम्पॉर्टेंस, लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर बेस्ड ऑन द बेसिक साइंसेस एंड of course clinical branches are there. Another important thing that this is, since it is a computer based exam, so and there are 200 questions, there are going to be 4 sections of 45 of 50 marks each, and for which you will be getting only 45 minutes. So 50 questions, 45 minutes, and once that section is completed then you will not be able to access it. So within that time frame you have to complete that section. So this exam has to be taken very seriously. Students who want to appear and who want to get selected into the premier institutes of India like AIIMS, JIPMER and PGI Chandigarh, they must be like really slogging day in and day out, revising their syllabus, doing all the past year questions, doing as much as MCQs and mock test and grant test as they can. This is a tough exam, it's not a simple exam. And why? Because see, मल्टीपल चॉइस सिंगल आंसर क्वेश्चन, सिंगल करेक्ट आंसर तो आप आराम से कर लोगे. वहाँ पे आप थ्योरी ऑफ एलिमिनेशन भी कई बार अप्लाई करते हो एंड देन यू कैन गेट 2 आंसर्स. बट जो मल्टीपल करेक्ट आंसर्स होते हैं ना, वो बेसिकली डिफरेंस पैदा करते हैं. दे आर द वंस विच डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन द रैंक्स. एंड मल्टीपल करेक्ट आंसर में इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कीप योर काम, टू कीप योर कूल and deeply think, analyze and answer the correct answer. So this is actually a test also. कल को as a doctor you are supposed to maintain your calm in the pressure situation. So इस pressure situation में आप कितने questions को correct कर पाते हो, this is important. I again repeat, earlier also I've said, these competitive exams are exams not just of knowledge, they are the exams of your personality, they are the exams of your performance. आप pressure में कितना अच्छा perform करते हो. तो इस चीज़ के लिए क्या करना है, रोज प्रैक्टिस करो. उसी टाइम पे बैठ के, जिस टाइम पे आपका एग्जाम है उसी टाइम पे बैठ के आप रोज प्रैक्टिस करो. अपने एग्जाम को सेम टू सेम सिमुलेटेड एनवायरनमेंट बनाओ एंड अपना एग्जाम दो एज इफ यू आर गिविंग द मेन एग्जाम एंड गिव इट ऑन कंप्यूटर सो दैट यू गेट द grasp of the situation. And then slowly and slowly your brain will get accustomed to that, your brain will get attuned to that pressure, and it will perform really well on the exam day also. It will be completely aware. So all the best to the students who are preparing for INI. Study well, study hard, and all the best so that you perform very well.